Our planet. A vibrant blue sphere spinning silently in the vastness of space. From this distance it appears serene, predictable. But look closer and you'll find that our world hides wonders that defy logic. Places so strange, so otherworldly, that they seem torn from the pages of a fantasy novel. These are Earth's magical anomalies, natural wonders that science says shouldn't exist. Yet there they are, challenging everything we think we know about the laws of nature. Join us on a journey to the very edge of possibility, to explore the beautiful, the bizarre, and the utterly breathtaking. Our first stop takes us to the desolate heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan. Here, a fiery chasm has been burning for over half a century. Locals call it the Darvaza gas crater, but the world knows it by a more ominous name, the door to hell. This isn't a natural volcano. In 1971, a Soviet drilling rig collapsed into a cavern filled with natural gas. To prevent the spread of poisonous fumes, geologists set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. 50 years later, the flames rage on, a roaring inferno against the silent desert night. Standing at its edge, you feel a primal heat, a humbling reminder of the immense power churning just beneath our feet. Is it a geological accident or a permanent wound on the Earth's skin? The mystery endures. From the burning sands, we travel to the dramatic storm-lashed coast of Northern Ireland. Here, a geological marvel unfolds, the Giant's Causeway. 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, most of them perfect hexagons, step down from the cliffs into the sea. They look so precise, so artificially carved, you'd swear they were the work of a master sculptor. Local legend tells of the Irish giant Fionn mac Cumhaill, who built this causeway to cross the sea and fight his Scottish rival. Geologists offer a different story, a tale of an ancient volcanic eruption where lava cooled and cracked with mathematical precision. But standing there, feeling the wind and watching the waves crash against these perfect stone pillars, the legend feels just as real as the science. Next, we journey to the high-altitude plains of Bolivia, to a place that shatters the boundary between heaven and earth, the Salar de Uyuni. During the dry season, it's the world's largest salt flat, a blindingly white expanse of hexagonal salt tiles stretching to the horizon. But when the rains come, a thin layer of water transforms it into the world's largest mirror. The sky is no longer above you, but all around you. The ground disappears, and you find yourself walking on clouds, floating in an endless expanse of blue and white. It's an experience that defies description, a feeling of pure, weightless freedom. This is where the earth touches the sky, creating a spectacle of surreal, serene beauty. Our journey now takes us to the scorched plains of northern Tanzania, to a body of water that seems cursed, Lake Natron. Its waters are a haunting, beautiful shade of crimson, but beneath its surface lies a deadly secret. The lake is hyperalkaline, with a pH level almost as high as ammonia. Any animal that isn't adapted to this harsh environment and dies in its waters is preserved, calcified into a stone-like statue by the lake's unique chemical composition. Birds, bats, and other creatures are found washed ashore, frozen in time like eerie sculptures. While local legends speak of a cursed lake that turns living things to stone, science points to the high concentration of sodium carbonate. It's a hauntingly beautiful graveyard, a stark reminder that nature's beauty can also be incredibly dangerous. Let's venture to an island that seems to have been plucked from another planet and dropped into the Indian Ocean, Socotra, Yemen. Isolated for millions of years, its ecosystem has evolved into something truly alien. The landscape is dominated by the bizarre dragon's blood tree with its dense, umbrella-shaped canopy and a trunk that bleeds a dark red sap when cut. Ancient beliefs held this sap to be the blood of dragons, possessing magical and medicinal properties. Alongside these are the bulbous bottle trees and other unique flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. To walk through Socotra is to feel like an explorer on a distant world, a testament to the incredible and sometimes strange power of evolution in isolation. From an alien island, we fly to the arid grasslands of Namibia, where the Earth is marked with a mysterious repeating pattern, the fairy circles. Thousands upon thousands of circular bare patches, each ringed by a fringe of taller grass, dot the landscape as far as the eye can see. They're almost perfectly spaced, creating a polka dot pattern on the desert floor. Local Himba people believe these are the footprints of their original god, Mukuru. Scientists are baffled. Some theories suggest they are created by sand termites engineering their ecosystem, while others propose it's a form of self-organizing vegetation competing for scarce water. Whatever their origin, they create a mesmerizing, almost supernatural landscape. Prepare for your jaw to drop as we soar into the sandstone peaks of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China. These are the real-life Hallelujah Mountains from the movie Avatar. Over 3,000 towering quartzite sandstone pillars thrust skyward, some reaching over 200 meters high. Shrouded in mist, they appear to float in the air, creating a dreamlike ethereal panorama. These pillars weren't built up, but carved down over millions of years by physical erosion, particularly from ice expanding in the winter. Visiting Zhangjiajie feels like stepping into a traditional Chinese landscape painting, a world where mountains defy gravity and forests cling to vertical cliffs. It's a breathtaking display of nature's patient, persistent artistry. Our final destination is a feature so large it's visible from space, yet its origin remains one of geology's greatest puzzles. In the middle of the Sahara Desert in Mauritania lies the Richet structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara. A perfect set of concentric rings nearly 50 kilometers in diameter, it looks like a giant bullseye on the Earth. For years, it was thought to be an asteroid impact crater, but there's no evidence of impact shock. Another theory suggests it's a deeply eroded volcanic dome that has collapsed, but the circular perfection is hard to explain. Some even point to Plato's descriptions of the lost city of Atlantis, with its concentric rings of land and water. The Eye of the Sahara watches us from the desert, a silent, beautiful enigma. From burning craters to floating mountains, from petrifying lakes to mirrored skies, our planet is a gallery of impossible art. These anomalies challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. They remind us that there are still mysteries to solve, still wonders to discover, and that even in our modern, well-explored world, magic is real. It's written into the very fabric of our Earth, waiting for us to find it. Our world is far more magical than we imagine. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you are as amazed as we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.